Have you ever checked whether the engine oil going into your car is actually the real deal? If it isn't genuine and turns out to be fake, what could that mean for your car? Today on Enmove Times, we'll look at the risks of counterfeit engine oil and how you can avoid it. Fake lubricant products often copy the packaging or logo design so closely that they look just like the real thing. Some even use genuine packaging and fill it with counterfeit oil before selling it. These products usually show up online or through unofficial sellers who aren't certified by the brand, often at prices lower than the market. But counterfeit oil can't maintain viscosity, oxidation stability, or cleanliness, which are, of course, the basic functions engine oil must deliver to protect your engine. As a result, it can lead to serious engine damage, expensive repairs, and even safety risks for both drivers and passengers. To avoid counterfeit lubricant products, the most important step is buying through official channels. Use certified offline or online brand stores, and make it a habit to check whether a product is genuine. Lubricant manufacturers are also working hard to ensure consumers can use their products with confidence. For example, they're adopting authentication systems to make it easy to check if a product is real. They also operate authorized dealers that consumers can trust, and they run customer service centers that respond quickly to questions or issues. On top of that, manufacturers continue to invest in raising product quality to international standards in order to strengthen the entire genuine product management system. Zeek is also working to block the distribution of counterfeit products by securing official dealerships consumers can trust. By expanding certified sales locations that guarantee genuine Zeek products, Zeek is continually increasing the number of safe channels consumers can rely on. Not only that, Zeek keeps investing in product quality. They strictly follow international specifications and automaker-approved certification processes to make absolutely sure they consistently deliver safe, trustworthy products to consumers. When replacing your engine oil, always check that it's genuine and make it a habit to buy from authorized dealer. A small habit can protect your engine and keep your car safer from costly repairs and unexpected failures. Thank you for watching Enmove Times.